Today I'm going to cover the brake system on my 1993 YZ250 with mostly 2006 YZ450 components. Alright, so today I'm going to go ahead and rebuild the calipers for the 93 YZ250. As you can see, these have been professionally powder coated by Candelo Customs here in Phoenix, Arizona. And I believe the color is Illusion Blueberry. Anyway, these are going to get rebuilt with this kit from All Balls Racing. And I picked this up at a local shop in Arizona called AEO Power Sports. I pick up most of my stuff there. Great shop locally in Phoenix, highly recommended. So yeah, we'll just jump right into this. There are 2 piston seals per piston. There's a thicker one, which goes in first. And a second one, which is thinner. There's the first seal, the second one goes in there. Alright, I have the caliper mostly assembled. I got the pins in. I'm going to go ahead and get the actual pads in with the last pin that holds the pads in place. And for the pads, I have some DP brakes. These are not the cheapest pads on the market, but for me, they will do the job. Let's see here. There's also this bracket from when I took the bike apart. I believe this goes... Alright, got the last pieces to finish off the rear brake. The bleeder valve, OEM bleeder valve, EBC brakes, and that'll complete her. here is the completed back caliper. So just again, a quick overview of this is we have YZ450 master cylinder from a 2006 YZ450F. I had a local company make a custom stainless steel line, matching banjo with fittings that matched the original. Again, this is the 1993 original rear caliper. The reason I didn't go with the 96 caliper is I would have had to change out the swing arm and that whole setup, and also the diameter of the rotor was different, and so I would have had to swap all that out, and it would have been honestly just too much work for what it was worth. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. If you want to keep up with the build, hit the subscribe button. We have a few more videos before I do the full reveal. I'm trying not to show most of the bike right now. You probably got a peek at the wheels. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll see you on the next project.